guys, and welcome back to another really belated Ipsy unboxing. So this is the June 2023 Ipsy Glam bag. It's pretty cute. It's like this little hot pink mesh bag that you can kind of see through with a little faux leather bottom and top piece. Cool little like highlighter yellow zipper and zipper pull that says love on it because Pride Month. It's very cute. I like it a lot. So it says ready, set, play. June 2023. This month, give yourself permission to play, whether you're escaping on a summer vacay or exploring a brand new beauty look with mood-boosting makeup and happy hints of color. Just remember the world is your playground, so have fun with it. Aww. Okay, and then this is just like dates about flash drop sale, choice day, add-ons, the mega drop shop. None of those matter at this point, given it's August. Oh, good. We do have product info this month. So, 5 new products valued up to $70 are yours. So in no particular order. Ooh, so we have from Glowiest the Sweet Dreams Collagen Glow Rose Gold Eye Masks. This is full-sized, $8. This dreamy eye mask is infused with superstar ingredients like camellia oil, niacinamide, hyaluronic acid, peptides, and pumpkin extract to help reduce puffiness and dark circles. Not only is it incredibly luxurious and fun to use, but it's the perfect before-bed relaxation ritual. Tip, don't forget to gently pat the remaining serum into your skin. Well, no shit. We have that. And then in the bag itself, we've got, in no particular order, I love how, like, even from, like, the back and, like, this edge, I was like, I know exactly what brand that is. So we have from Kinship the Self Smooth 10% Glycolic Resurfacing Serum. I am loving the color combo of the blue and the pink. It's very cute. So, a little close to the light. Let me see if I turn that down a little, if it helps. Yeah, it helps some. Anyway, so it says there's a deluxe sample size. Full size is $30, but this transformative serum helps to give you the smoothest skin ever with ingredients like 10% glycolic acid, strawberry extract, oat extract, and kin biome like kombucha for your face. Tip, a slight tingle is normal. That means it's working. Good to know. And I have seen strawberry turning up more and more often in resurfacing things and in exfoliating things, so I guess that's good to know. Next, from Formula Z Cosmetics, we have the Happy Stick dual-ended liner in Sky and Emerald. So we got like a blue end, we have a green end. It's pretty cool. This is full size and $23. Grab this dual-ended eyeliner pencil to add some fun back into your makeup routine. Sky, a metallic royal blue, and Emerald, a metallic forest green, are so flattering and help to bring out your unique eye color, aka be ready for compliments. Tip, mix and match the two shades to create endless eye looks. So I'm like thinking when I review this, should I like do one eye with one color and one on the other and just like go with it all day and see how long it takes anyone to notice? I might do that. Anyway, so we have that. We also have from The Balm Cosmetics. It's been a while since I've seen them pop up. Okay. So this is the Antidotes Liquid Concealer in number 8. This is a deluxe sample size. Full size is $14.50. This clean concealer works to help you hide your skin imperfections and dark circles, leaving you with a flawless finish all day long. Plus, it's full of good-for-you ingredients like hyaluronic acid for moisture and vitamin C for an antioxidant complexion boost. Tip, for a lifted look, blend into the inner and outer corners of your under eye. Hopefully it's not as dark as that, because that looks awfully dark for me. Let's see. I may end up giving this to my mom if it's actually that dark. I don't know. Well, oop, shit. Okay, did not mean to squeeze out a big ass blob like that, but I guess we're doing an impromptu swatch then, and I will then know. Let's see if I kind of go like this. I might be able to make that work. All right. Like, it's dark, but if I blend it with foundation, I can absolutely make this work. I'll show you. Like, you can see it's darker, but like blend it in with other makeup. This is doable. This is doable. I'm just kind of... Yeah, I can't believe I just did that. That sucks. Oh, God. Like, you see, like, how dark that smear of it is versus where I... Nah, it's still dark. Never mind. Alright. Well, poop. Did not mean to do that. That sucked. So, the last one in this bag, I have another bag, is by Philosophy. See the little sample bottle here. And this is the Micro Delivery Exfoliating Daily Face Wash, which full size would be $30. And it says, this fan fave face wash not only cleanses your skin, but it also provides a gentle exfoliation that leaves your skin feeling super soft and smooth. Formulated with fine-grained desert earth and a gentle amino acid derived cleansing system, this face wash delivers a rejuvenating deep clean. Tip massage for 30 to 60 seconds for a thorough cleanse. No shit, that's literally how you use a cleanser. That's alright, whatever. So that's what's in the first bag. So let's just pop those back in there for the moment. And then we'll grab the second one. Do we have product info? Oh, good, we do. We also have at least one dupe in here. I think just one, though. And that is that same Philosophy product, so whatever. We don't have to read it twice, but I guess between having it twice, it makes for a more decent amount. So I also have the Nanette Lepore Luna Body Lotion. Love those colors. That looks like my childhood. Full size of this would be $25. And it says, light yet dark, engaging yet mysterious, smooth yet crisp. Luna awakens your senses with every spritz thanks to a refreshing blend of lemon, rose petals, jasmine, violet leaves, and blonde woods. Tip, dab, don't rub the perfume into your skin. But you literally just said it's a lotion. But okay, let's see this. Like, straight up. If this were perfume, I'd agree with you, but to be fair, Nanette Lepore is usually a perfumed lotion, so I'll just... Well, it gave me the perfect amount I wanted to, like, test this with. We will dab then, I guess. Alright. That's fair, I guess. It does kind of, like, immediately melt into your skin as a liquid into, like, nothing. It actually doesn't have anywhere near as much scent as I expected it to. For a Nanette Lepore, that's actually pretty light. But that's okay. Because usually her stuff is like so overpowered that I'm like, it's almost too much. So I'm like, alright, that's kind of refreshing, not gonna lie. So, okay. Next, we have a brush by Wing Me Cosmetics. This is full sized, obviously, it's $12. And it is a number 9 medium shading brush. Brush stash need a refresh. This one has a large brush head with a slightly beveled edge. It's perfect for evenly covering your lids with shadow primers, powders, or liquid products. Tip, use this brush to evenly apply eyeshadow primer to prep for makeup. It literally just said that. But anyway, here's what the bristles look like. It is a kind of unique shape. I will give them that. Like, of all of the eye brushes that I have, and there are many, I have more of those than any other kind of makeup brush because it's what I use the most. Both the bristles themselves are unique in being shaped like that, but then also the tip of the barrel is flattened like a paintbrush right here, like the crimped part normally would be. Like, this part's all round till you get to the throat of it, and then it's flat. So it makes for like a really good grip, I suppose, if you wanted to get right down in there. Which I guess would make sense if you're using it as a concealer one or for like primer. But if you're like trying to blend, like, you typically hold from back here so there's less pressure and you get a more fluffier kind of flow. Anyway, that just my interesting thoughts. Interesting to me, not to anybody else, but yeah, I'm just like, wait, so what exactly is our I mean, I guess you could go like that and like have just one finger on the one side and like go on. Well, I mean, I already have eye makeup on, so I don't want to f it up. But yeah, I suppose that could make sense for just like, especially if you're like tapping it on, like you do with some shadows. I don't know. I'll play with it. I don't know how I feel about this one yet. Like, it's different. I give it credit for being different, but I don't know that it's a good different just yet. So then, from Estate Cosmetics, we have a cream highlighter in Lunar. This is a deluxe sample size. Full size is $12. I was gonna say, I think I have this, but no, I think I'm mixing it up with my mom has this one. So it looks like that. It's like a really nice gold champagne kind of a color. It says, want a glow so good you'll be seen from space? This peachy rose highlighter should do the trick. Lightweight, blendable, and long lasting, it'll give you a dewy shimmer that rivals the stars. Tip with your fingers, lightly dab the cream onto any areas you want to illuminate. Oh, it's a cream one! Hell yeah, okay. Like, I definitely thought this was a pressed powder, but apparently that's cream. Okay, that's pretty cool. I'll try that out soon, because honestly, I'm kind of stoked to try that. So there's that. And then the final product for this video. I've never heard of this brand before, but it looks like a packaging I've seen plenty of times over. So I'm like, oh, is this the white label kind of thing? It's from Unfiltered Beauty Co. And it's their Pout Potion Lip Oil in So Retro, which, you know, I love a name like that, but looks like this. Yeah, looks like about 20 gazillion other things in my collection, but alright, whatever. Like, we'll try it. I like how beefy it is anyway. This is full size and 21 bucks. It says this lip treatment is like a magical potion for plump, juicy pout. The bouncy jelly formula is packed with ingredients like castor seed, sunflower and soybean oils, shea butter and vitamin E, and cranberry and raspberry extracts. Lots of ands in there. You could have just used commas, but anyway, extracts that work together to give your lips a healthy, irresistible pink glow. Tip, glide over your lipstick to give your lips a glossy finish. And to ruin any matte lipstick you may have been wearing because it will no longer be matte and no longer stay on the second you do that. Why I don't like to do that. But anyway, I'll just wear it on its own. It's cool. So, I don't know. I mean, for June, not terrible things anyway. It's a pretty decent haul. I mean, a little iffy on that brush, but most of the stuff is pretty good, other than the concealer that is a couple shades too dark for me. But again, I think I might be able to work with it. I might. Especially if I'm using it to like cover up blemishes, you want a little bit darker anyway to help offset the redness. So I'm like, I might be able to work with this. I'll play with it before giving it away, but if I give it away, I might just keep it. But so that is it for this one, guys. And as usual, you know what to do. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe, hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload. Leave comments down below. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my eBay, my Reddits, everything more. It's all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. Anyway, guys, till next time, see ya.